Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about carbon compounds. In the last class I have discussed some of the carbon compounds, and once again we are going to discuss more about carbon compounds. When we say carbon, we have to know that carbon has 4 valency, so it should have 4 valency to be a stable compound. So let me write a carbon compound. Let me make some carbon compounds in this way. Okay, so we can write carbon in many we can make chains, a long chain, a number of large chain. That is the beauty of carbon. So as I told, carbon should have always 4 valency, so 3. With hydrogen it has fulfilled 3, and with another carbon 4. So you have to adjust in this way, 3 4. So 3 4, this carbon is fulfilling the 4 valency, 3 4, 1 2 3 4. For this carbon it has balanced the 4 valency, so 1 2 3 4. So in this way, now you can write more speedily, in a very faster way. uh, okay, now how to write the formula? We have written the structure, so now how to write in the form of formula? So when I say how many CH3 are here, how many CH3 are here, so CH3 we can write as this. Okay, in this way, carbon, then CH2, CH2, CH3. So this means there is branching. The bracket indicates there is branching. This carbon is connected in the branch way. Okay, so let me make another carbon. Okay, CH3, CH2. Okay, then always the terminal is CH3 as I told, and the middle one is CH2 with single bond at both sides, and then CH. Okay, let me remove this, because let me put here CH3, CH3, then CH2, then CH3. Okay, I have just made it. Just made the structure. By as carbon can be made longer chain, you can extend it more. I have limited up to here. So how to write the formula here? Just observe it, how to write the formula. That is, CH3 is there. Okay, we will write it CH2, then C. So while we write the formula, the branch is indicated within the by the bracket. So how many times CH3? That means CH3 twice. So remember that the branch, whenever there is bracket, there is branching, that is out of the chain. So CH2, CH3. So in this way you can make more longer chain, but we can even include carbons with the double bond, like let me make some carbon chains. Okay, I'll insert here multiple bond, that is double bond. Now you can make it correctly by just knowing the valency. Carbon should have always 4 valency, 4 bonds, 1 2 3. So now it is 4. So 1 2 3 4. 1 for this carbon, the bond is 1, and we require 4, so 3. So 3. So in this way, so this is about hydrocarbons, right? This is about carbon and hydrogen, so this is called hydrocarbons. We can also make some other compounds other than hydrocarbons, but we should know the valency. Like let us make the carbon compounds with Cl. Okay, so Cl, so carbon, I have just made this up to extended up to 4 carbons. Then let me put Cl here, and you remember that Cl has valency 1, so it is always stable with a single bond. Okay, so single bond. So now you can adjust it by knowing the valency 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then 3. So how to write the structure now? So how to write the formula now? CH3 is there. Okay, CH3, CH2, next carbon is CH2, then CH. Okay, CH. Then as I told, if there is any out of the chain, it should be written in the bracket, then CH3. Okay, so let me write like CH3, CH, then Cl above, Cl below, then CH3. So if we want to write in the form of formula, we can write CH3, C, and Cl2, Cl twice. That means it is in the out of the chain branch. Okay, then we can write CH3. Okay, so we should put a single bond with chlorine with any halogens group. Now we can make for the oxygen also. Oxygen, let us include some oxygen with the carbon. So I have just made some carbon. Okay, and I'll put one oxygen bonded oxygen, but oxygen has two valency, so oxygen is always stable with two bonds. Okay, so I have put two bonds here. Oxygen should be always two bond, either it may be in the form of double bond or either it may be in the form of single bond. So double bond should be there with oxygen. Then carbon, you balance it by hydrogen. Then 1 2 3 4 already balanced the four valency, the four bonds. So when we write the formula, we have to write in this way: CH3CO. Okay, CH3CO, CH3. Or even we, okay, so this is the form. So let me extend another one, like CH3, no, let me make in this way. Okay, I have extended the carbon and I have connected the carbon chain with oxygen C. Okay, now carbon has how many valency? 4. So it is stable with the 4 bonds, 1, then 3 4, then 3 4. How to write the formula? You have to write CH3OCH3. So in this way. Okay, so this is very much different from this. You see, this oxygen is single bonded on both sides, but this oxygen is double bonded. So what is the difference in writing? Just check it. CH3CO. Yes, one single C is there with O, that means this is carbonyl. And this carbon, see this oxygen CH3O, single oxygen, here it is CO. So from this CO we have to know that it is connected with double bonded. Here it is CH3, no C, no single C, there is only oxygen, so we have to know this is single bonded ether. Okay,